Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this beautiful wig. I've actually introduced this wig to you before. The only difference is the color. Actually, one of my clients suggested she wanted this wig in this color, this style, and then she wanted it in this beautiful color. So just comment down below if you love the color, if you love the style, and if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So just comment down below if you love this style and if you love this color as well. See you in my next video. Bye.